If you or someone you love suffer from tinnitus, you know how frustrating it can be. There's no known cure for that annoying ringing sound, but there's help out there from Lipoflavonoid. Lipoflavonoid Plus is a natural bioflavonoid product that may help ease tinnitus symptoms. Each caplet contains a proprietary blend of ingredients that have been used and studied for decades to help provide better relief to people who suffer with ringing in the ears. Today, Lipoflavonoid is #1 doctor recommended for relief of ringing in the ears. It's important to take Lipoflavonoid as directed because it takes time to achieve symptom relief. If you're using Lipoflavonoid for the first time, make sure to take 2 caplets 3 times a day. That's 6 caplets total daily. Tinnitus can be caused by a variety of factors, and there's no known treatment that will bring complete relief to all sufferers. So if you don't find relief from ringing in the ears with the use of Lipoflavonoid as directed for 60 days, we'll give you your money back. The upshot? Try Lipoflavonoid today.